Welcome to Metrolabs. We design, manufacture, supply and install school lab furniture. Physics Lab. Your journey to discovery begins here. Physics work tables are the backbone of the lab. It's where the magic happens. Think of it as your experiment stage. It accommodates all instruments and apparatus. Let's move on. Underbench cupboards and drawers. Not only do they keep the workspace clear, but they also provide easy access to equipment. We provided with lock and key. Next, electrical connection. Ensure that your workstations have ample power outlets breaker provided on each table. We integrate electrical power lines and incorporate student-safe sockets in our table designs. Storage cupboards are an essential requirement in all labs. A storage cupboard of any specific type, size, pattern can be made to suit customer requirements. We offers floor standing cupboard, wall cupboard, floor standing heavy-duty open rack. We provide the services are free custom design, perfect quality manufacturing, safe doorstep supply, on time as per lab plan installation, satisfied after sales service.
Ready to make a move? Get in touch, and we will guide you every step of the way. For more details, www.schoollabfurniture. Call 701-007-5103. Mail us. Inquiry@schoollabfurniture.com.